Zachary Smith, 52520. The different landmarks that we have to identify. So completed the sheep dissection lab. Here's the two hemispheres after I did the sagittal cut. So if we're going to put these back together real quick. So for the different lobes of the brain, in the front, frontal lobe, on the side, more superior, the parietal lobe, more inferiorly, temporal lobe, and then posteriorly, we have the occipital lobe. In the back here, we have the cerebellum. Dividing the two hemispheres along, this is the longitudinal fissure right here. And then on the side, right here, we have the lateral fissure. And then as we take the brain back apart, it's kind of falling apart on me. So here, little glare, turn that off. So we have the right here, the corpus callosum. So that's the area where the two hemispheres connect and the brain's able to communicate between the left and right hemisphere. Forgot to mention on the surface of the brain we have these ridges. So the ridge is the gyri, and then kind of the indentations is the sulci. So those help increase the surface area of the brain. So the more surface area means larger brain. So humans, we have greater degree of gyri and sulci as well as a larger brain. So that's what allows us to have more complex thoughts, more complex processes. So going back to the different structures, if we look at the cerebellum, we can see the white areas is the white matter, and then the dark area. Did I not hit start? I did. Then the dark areas are the dark matter, and then as we go down, we have the thalamus, and then posteriorly we have the hypothalamus. And then we have kind of midbrain, pons, and medulla oblongata as we trace down. And then covering the whole surface of the brain is meninges, so different coverings that kind of help protect the brain from trauma or from toxins entering the brain. So those are very important. And yeah, thank you very much.